Headache English. Walk path.
Headache English.
Words to discuss. Advice advise. Allowed. 8. Course. Especially specially. Advice versus advise. Advice, noun. Guidance or opinion offered by someone.
Advise, verb. To offer suggestion or counsel.
Example. Advice. You should listen to the advice of your doctor.
Advise. I advise you to not skip taking your medicine.
Let us use the two words together. Mom, I need advice on what to wear, I told her. She smiled and said, I advised you to pick the most comfortable clothes you have in your closet. Allowed versus allowed. Allowed, verb. Permitted or a permission granted to something.
Allowed, adverb. Audibly, clearly heard.
Example. Allowed. Mom allowed me to visit my friends next week.
Allowed. Please read the story aloud to the class.
Let us use the two words together. I raised my hand and the teacher allowed me to read the story aloud. 8 versus 8. 8, verb. Past tense of eat.
8. A number.
Example. 8. Zamil ate different kind of fruits yesterday.
8. The question in number 8 confuses me.
Let us use the two words together. 8 people went to hike. When they reached the summit, they ate their food. Course versus course. Course, adjective rough in texture.
Course, noun. Path or way, subject or series of lectures.
Examples. Course. Uriel ran his hand over the course painting.
Course. The Sherpa plots the course to Mount Everest. Another example. Penny enrolled 3 courses for summer.
Let us use the two words together. The course to Mount Everest is dangerous because of the coarse climate. Especially versus specially. Especially, noun. Used to pertain to a single person, idea or a thing.
Specially, adverb. Special purpose.
Examples. Especially. I really enjoyed my vacation, especially when I was in New York.
Specially. Paige has a specially sewed dress for this occasion.
Let us use the two words together. What was specially enjoyable about that event? Mina asked. I enjoyed everything, especially when the kids showed their graceful dance steps. I smiled sweetly.
Now, let us see how a family uses these words during their conversation at a family dinner.
Riley, have you decided on what course are you going to enroll in college?
Yes, Dad. I am planning to take civil engineering.
Did you consider other courses too?
Yes, Mom. Hazel and I will enroll later.
Good. I think Hazel will get a different course.
Yep. She preferred running her hands to smooth and coarse cloth.
Anyway, if you need more advice, let me know.
Thanks, Dad. Grandpa also advised me on what specialization is good.
Of course. I will always guide you. All specializations are good, especially civil engineering. Yes, and we will always support Riley specially on what he really wants.
Thank you. Well, I'll go to school at 8 in the morning tomorrow after I ate my breakfast.
Are you allowed to drop by my office once you're done with your enrollment?
Yes, Grandpa.
You're in the mid part of the video. Don't forget to click like and subscribe.
Let's check your knowledge. Direction, fill in the blanks with the appropriate word. If the word does not fit, leave the space empty. Number 1. Kiana will surely blank you to contact Mom before booking a ticket. Number 2. The kids are playing an underscore because they can't play tomorrow anymore. Number 3. If you are seeking for a good underscore, consult Mom.
Letter A. Advice. Letter B. Advice.
The correct answers are: Number 1. Letter B. Kiana will surely advise you to contact mom before booking a ticket. Number 3. Letter A. 3. If you are seeking for a good advice, consult mom.
Number 4. The people at the park are too blank. Number 5. Fiona blank herself to feel the freedom of being alone. Number 6. The pain of her wound made her cry blank.
Letter A. Aloud. Letter B. Aloud.
The correct answers are: Number 5. Letter A. Fiona allowed herself to feel the freedom of being alone. Number 6. Letter B. The pain of her wound made her cry aloud.
Number 7. Adler worked blank hours a day. Number 8. Cassie blank her favorite cinnamon rolls hungrily. Number 9. Danny will blank with his friends later.
Letter A. 8. Letter B. 8.
The correct answers are: Number 7. Letter B. Adler worked 8 hours a day. Number 8. Letter A. Cassie ate her favorite cinnamon rolls hungrily.
Number 10. Sunny ran toward the blank sand and enjoyed the beach. Number 11. Kia cried when she found her blank necklace. Number 12. Maria enrolled in architectural blank in London.
Letter A. Course. Letter B. Course.
The correct answers are: Number 10. Letter A. Sunny ran toward the coarse sand and enjoyed the beach. Number 12. Letter B. Maria enrolled in architectural course in London.
Number 13. I have a blank request to make. Number 14. Your grandma made this blank for your birthday. Number 15. The case of COVID-19 increases, blank on big cities.
Letter A. Especially. Letter B. Especially.
The correct answers are: Number 14. Letter B. Your grandma made this specially for your birthday. Number 15. Letter A. The case of COVID-19 increases, especially on big cities.
Congratulations! You're at the end of the video. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to click like and subscribe.